By the way, an interesting fact here. The process we used to come up with this 3 fault tolerant system for keeping water inside of the pond is the exact same process that we used at NASA when we were developing the $15 million hammer, and also the $1.2 billion space toilet. So, here at Plan B Engineering, if we have a good process and it's worked before, we don't want to be reinventing the wheel. Although I do have some ideas on that, so we just used that same process there. So just wanted to point out that I can't take credit for coming up with the process to convert our 2 fault tolerant system into the increasingly ludicrous 3 fault tolerant system that you see here today. I was just applying a process I learned at NASA. Okay, so we got that going for us.